Recent research conducted by the American Heart Association, AHA, reveals alarming statistics. Approximately 121 million individuals, nearly half of all U.S. adults, grapple with some form of heart disease. Further, an estimated 25 million U.S. adults contend with manifestations such as heart failure, clogged arteries, or strokes. Shockingly, around 610,000 individuals succumb to heart-related conditions annually, constituting 1 in 4 deaths in the United States, as reported by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC). The ubiquity of heart disease does not negate the importance of proactive measures to safeguard one's cardiovascular health. Awareness of the signs and symptoms of cardiovascular disease can prove pivotal in early intervention and the prevention of complications. Notably, the prevalence of uncontrolled hypertension, a significant component of cardiovascular disease, is concerning. In the U.S., 1 in every 3 adults experiences prehypertension, the precursor to full-blown hypertension. Heart diseases claim over 1,000 lives daily in the United States, solidifying their status as a leading cause of mortality. Why cardiovascular disease poses a grave threat? One critical aspect contributing to the deadliness of cardiovascular disease is the difficulty in recognizing its signs and symptoms in a timely manner. Often, these indicators are subtle, varying between individuals and lacking intensity. To mitigate this challenge, it is imperative to familiarize oneself with warning signs and promptly seek medical attention if they persist. 1. Dizziness and shortness of breath. Feelings of breathlessness during routine activities, such as walking across a room or tying shoelaces, can signal an impending heart attack. Notably, heart attacks may not always present with chest pain. Instead, individuals may experience dizziness, indicative of arrhythmia or heart failure. 2. Chest discomfort. Chest discomfort or angina serves as a common and early indicator of cardiovascular disease, often manifesting as a continuous, striking pain or steady pressure. It may result from plaque accumulation on arterial walls or signal an ongoing heart attack. Timely consultation with a healthcare provider is crucial for accurate diagnosis. 3. Unexpected cold sweats. Frequent, unexplained cold sweats can be a precursor to or a sign of an ongoing heart attack. When coupled with other symptoms, such as dizziness or shortness of breath, immediate medical attention is advised to assess and address potential cardiac issues. 4. Heart palpitations. Irregular heartbeats, or palpitations, can be indicative of underlying heart problems. While occasional irregular heartbeats are normal in certain circumstances, persistent occurrences may signify issues with the heart's functioning. Seeking advice from a healthcare professional is essential in such cases. 5. Persistent cough. A lingering cough, especially when accompanied by pink or white mucus, could indicate heart failure. This occurs when the heart struggles to meet the body's needs, leading to blood presence in the lungs. Consulting a healthcare practitioner is crucial to explore the root cause of a persistent cough. 6. Swelling in the legs. Swelling in the lower legs may signal valvular heart disease, impacting the heart's valves and impeding blood flow. Left untreated, this condition can cause discomfort and affect other body parts. Swelling occurs as blood accumulates in the lower legs due to impaired blood flow, making it essential to address the issue promptly. 7. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and weakness, especially during routine activities, may be indicative of underlying heart issues. When the heart is unable to pump blood efficiently, the body receives less oxygen, leading to fatigue. If fatigue persists and is accompanied by other symptoms, consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial to assess potential cardiac concerns. In conclusion, the prevalence of cardiovascular disease underscores the importance of recognizing its warning signs and seeking medical intervention. Empowering individuals with knowledge about these indicators can contribute significantly to reducing the impact of heart-related conditions and promoting overall heart health.